Welcome to Average Joe True North. Today we are going to cook a Butterball turkey roast in a toaster oven outside. This is a Oster toaster oven with a pizza drawer. I got this on Facebook Marketplace. I think these go for around $200. I got it for 25 bucks. Doesn't fit the standard small sheet pan on the top part, but it does fit on the bottom. You see, you can just put a pizza as is, or you can do it in the pan on the bottom there. Pretty nice little unit. We'll explore the pizza function on another video, and plan on doing a cast iron side dish in there as well. So stay tuned for that. So I have a Lodge 8-inch. That's what I did that pork roast in, and we're gonna lube it up with some olive oil. So the directions call for this to cook from frozen, so that's what I'm going to do. And I guess this will really put the toaster oven to the test, because we're going to be using this for 3 to 3.5 hours. See if it could really be a real oven. So I'm going to baste the turkey with some olive oil, and then we'll start cooking that thing. And I'm just going to season this with some salt and pepper, and let that salt kind of seep into the meat. Alright, the Lodge 8-inch fits right in there nicely. And later on I'll have to see if I can fit a 9 or a 10-inch in there. But right now the 8-inch is doing nicely. So we're going to put the timer on for 1 hour. I believe these turn off after it goes off. So we're going to do this 3 more times. Just going to baste it. Each time we pull it out, I'm just going to do an hour, baste, do an hour, baste, do an hour, baste, and we'll see how it goes from there. Alright, all the moisture evaporated, so I added about a cup of water. Give it one last base there. So it took exactly 3 hours. I could have cooked it a little bit less than 3 hours. So now we got some gravy going. We're going to be doing an open-faced turkey sandwich. Alright, we got to get the strings off of that turkey there. Alright, looking good. Now it's time to slice this thing up. Alright, didn't exactly come out in slices, more like chunks and pieces, but that'll work. Alright, we got our turkey sandwich, which we are going to cut in half and smother with gravy. All right, gonna have a nice healthy bite here. Munch, munch, munch. That was delicious. And I think I'll be making some more gravy and having another one of these because that was great. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. You all have a good week. Take care. Bye.